How to install Optifine on Minecraft is the topic of today's video, as well as how to go and download Optifine as well. I'm going through a full guide in today's video. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button right now. It really does mean a lot to me, and go and leave a like as well. So it's a pretty straightforward tutorial with the help of this video, and I know so many people want to go and speed up Minecraft and also have access to loads more settings, for example shaders, details, animations. There's so many useful features of Optifine which you can get access to, and I'm showing you all of that in today's video. So any further ado, let's jump into this. So first you want to do is simply open up your Minecraft launcher. So I'm going to come down here and search for Minecraft and just open it up. Now once you've opened it up, you need to select the version of what version you would like Optifine for. So in this case, if you want it for the latest release, which currently is 1.16.5, but it will probably have changed in the future, then make sure you've at least played it once and got all the files downloaded. And the download progress is going to look something like this if you haven't played that version of Minecraft before, but ensure you have. However, if you need it for an old version, for example 1.8.9, then make sure you've played that, and to go and play it and download, all you've got to do is come from play to installations and then click new, and then you can go and choose any release. Basically it goes back to release 1.0. so if you wanted 1.8.9, you'd make sure you come up here, click 1.8.9, and then just go and click create. As you can see, it's down here, so you click it once, you click save, and then click play, and as you can see you're playing an old version, but anyway, click play and it's going to load it up, and as you can see it's preparing, and that's the important thing, like it downloads all the files and everything. But yeah, you get the idea of essentially all you need to do is play the version you would like to go and download. So once you've got that ready, then all you want to do is open up a search browser of your choice. So personally I go and use Chrome, and then all you want to do is simply Google Optifine, but make sure you keep watching because I'm showing you a few more really useful tips of how to do this. Then come to optifine.net, and you're now on the home page, and you want to come up to download from this top navigation bar up here. And then as you can see, it shows you the version, so you can click show all versions if you wanted to go back. So like I said before, if I did want to go and do 1.8.9 like I showed you before, here you go, you can then go and download. This is the latest version here, you can go and click download. So yeah, that is it. But for this tutorial, I'll be showing you the latest version of Minecraft, which is 1.16.5. So earlier I went and ran Minecraft 1.16.5, so make sure you've ran the latest version, and then you can click download. Now I really recommend doing this download here. This basically means you have to watch 5 seconds of ads, but it does mean you go and support Optifine, the creators of this really useful tool. However, you can click mirror, and that's just going to go and start the download, but I always go and use download. So make sure you turn off ad block by clicking always, and then go and click download. And as you can see, there's going to be a quick ad which I'll just blur, but this just really supports the creators, so it's a great thing to do. And then go and click skip here, and then it's going to load you back here to the download page, and then you can go and hit download, and it's going to come down here and start downloading. It's only 5 megabytes, so it's absolutely tiny. You're going to get this pop up because it's a jar file, but simply click keep and you'll be absolutely fine. Now if you can't open this up, this is because you haven't got Java. Simply to go and get Java, you want to simply Google Java, and it's going to load, and then you want to come to java.com Oracle, click download here, and you can essentially go and download it. It's really easy, and quickly go and install that. But I've already got it, so I can go and open this up just fine. So I'm going to go and click on here, and now it's going to open up. And as you can see, you've got to make sure you select where Minecraft is. I haven't ever changed this, so that's where it is. But if you to change it, you click on the 3 dots and you can find it. But I'm going to go and click install, and hopefully it goes and runs through, and then we can go and finish. So as you can see, Optifine is successfully installed. Now I'm going to show you all the awesome settings you can get. So we can come off of Chrome, and then come back down here and search for Minecraft, and go and open it up. So then once you're on Minecraft launcher, you're going to make sure you've got Optifine selected. As you can see, Optifine 1.16.5. Now whenever there is a Minecraft update, you need to go and get the latest version of Optifine if you play on the latest version of Minecraft. So yeah, make sure you got 1.16.5 selected, Optifine, then go and click play. Now it may take a minute to load the first time, but let's go and get into this. So as you can see, I'm now in a game. Now the first key feature you're going to notice is when you press C, you zoom in, which is a really cool feature to have, I find, like when you're in games. However, let's go through the main settings. You're going to press escape, and then come to options, come to video settings, and now there's so many more options you've got here. So you've got shaders, details, animations, and there's other variances as well, like quality, performance. I haven't actually used the default Minecraft in ages, so I'm not fully aware, but I know all of this stuff's really useful. So if you've got a slow PC, you can come into animations and click all off. and that's going to speed up the game tremendously, as basically nothing moves. So if you hit water, it doesn't move, as you can see, it's just static. Stuff like that just really speeds up your game if you've got a slow PC. And there's so many other stuff. You've got details, you can have all off as well. So you can have the sky off, you can have trees on fast, which makes it this sort of solid state if you've seen that before. So yeah, that is sort of there's just so much to do with it. And there's other settings as well. For example, like you can go and add shaders, which I've got a tutorial coming on very soon. But I think the most useful stuff is the animations, and it just basically will generally speed up the game as well, even if you don't mess around the settings too much. I find like just by having it, it just speeds up so much. So you can go and play with shaders. I've got some already, and in details, you've got a load of other options as well, like vignette, alternate blocks, swamp colors, fog, stars. You know, there's so much stuff, and I know a lot of people, you know, do struggle with Minecraft running smoothly, especially as they add more options. Like the game is more advanced to what it used to be. So yeah, I do hope you found this video useful. If you did, go down below, hit the like button, please go and subscribe, and I look forward to catch you in the next one. Have a very awesome day. Peace.